Hey guys, so today I just got back from Chicago and I'm going to do a haul for you guys. I just got back like 10 minutes ago and I went to my first ever KAWAII store. So I was really overwhelmed by all the stuff. I was literally pacing around the stores. I went to two and I was pacing around the stores for like literally 10 minutes. And I'm not trying to brag in any way. I've been saving up for this trip for a while. So I spent all of this with my own money. So yeah, so I went to this store called Fancy Pencil Land, and it's in Super H Mart. And so first I got these two bean buns, and they were $4. I'm just gonna go ahead and name the price and everything because I know when I'm watching these kind of haul videos, I always want to know the price. So this happy face one and this happy face one. So I got those. There wasn't a lot of squishies there, but then I got some stationery which I'm in love with. So first I have this. It's so adorable. I kind of don't want to use them because it's so cute. It doesn't fit in that. And this was $8. It's like this deluxe stationery set, and it was $8. And I was originally gonna get this, which was $5, but then I found this and I loved it even more. So I'm gonna open it for you guys to show you all the items. So it slips out really easily. So here's the picnic pencil tin, and it is so adorable. And it has him holding a burger, which this is actually one of my favorite series, I think. So then it comes with two of these. It has them lying around and it has him eating a burger. And where's the pen? Okay, I also got this pen. And I like pens better than mechanical pencils. Also, I got this eraser. And ruler. That's all that was in the stationery set. So then I got this Rilakkuma notebook, and it's coffee, the chocolate and coffee one. And yeah, it's just a notebook, and the back is really cute. And then I got this sticker sheet, and look how cute these are. And I really like it because some of the candies, they don't have an outline of them. Like this one has an outline, but these don't. And I really like that because they would be great for resin. I really want to start resin soon. And it's just Hello Kitty and candies, and these were $2. So then I got, this is like the biggest thing that I got, and I'm so happy I got this. It's a Rilakkuma plushie, and I don't know what's really considered big, but this is like a little bigger than my hand, and it's him in a bee costume, and I really like this series. It's really cute. And so then I got some things from the snack portion of Super H Mart. It was like basically just some Asian snacks. So I got all 3 Milky Day candies flavors, and I think this is all 3. They're only $1.95. Don't judge me, okay? So at first I got this milk candy one, and I'm really excited for these because I've tasted the strawberry and the melon, but I haven't tasted this one yet. And then I got these melon ones. And then I got these strawberry ones. So, and then I got some Hello Panda and Koala Munch, is it called? But I ate the koala. And this isn't from me, this is actually from my friend, my pen pal. And then I got these at the cash register, which are probably going to be for my giveaway. it was Korean books, and I only got one thing from there, which were these Charming Kitty stickers. And there was another set which I should have gotten because they were only $1. And I really adore them. They're so adorable. So, I think I forgot the name. It was like Oriental Gifts or something. I got this Panda Bun Squishy, and this is $4. And I can get it online for like $2, so I didn't get that much Squishies because I just can get them online for such a better price. And I got them from Then I got 3 deco tapes. I got this Hello Kitty one. And this is like one of my favorites. And this blue one, which I love. And then I got this Pop and Pippin, which I am so excited for. They were kind of expensive, and as I said, I can get them online for such a better price. So I didn't get that much. I really wanted to. And this is probably going to be for trade. I don't know. I have to see. I hope you liked my haul video. The vlog of all my Kawaii shopping is going to be out soon. So I'll see you guys later.